Zucchini bread is a classic dessert recipe loved by many. This amazing sugar-free zucchini bread is delicious and guilt-free. It is a tasty, healthy dessert you can indulge in free of any added sugar. This recipe is simple to make and no prior baking experience is needed. It is also low in calories, making it a healthy snack choice. You can't go wrong with this scrumptious zucchini recipe that will fulfill your sweet tooth craving without any sugar. What is zucchini bread? Zucchini bread is a type of quick bread that is slightly sweet. The spices, which often include cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, shine through in this bread. Sometimes it even contains nuts or chocolate chips as well. The zucchini in zucchini bread works to add moisture. The flavor is very subtle and you likely won't be able to notice it. However, you will notice a difference in the texture, as the bread will be tender and moist. Zucchini is a healthy and effective way to add moisture to your bread. In addition to being a quick bread, it can also be made as muffins as well. What you will need to make sugar-free zucchini bread. Ingredients: 1½ cups zucchini, shredded. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 3/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/3 cup baking sugar alternative. 1/4 cup low-fat milk. 1 large egg. 2 tablespoons butter, melted. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Diabetic zucchini bread step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray your 8x4-inch baking pan with cooking spray. Step 2. Using a grater, shred your zucchini. Once shredded, blot the excess water from the zucchini using paper towels. Step 3. In a large mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose combined flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, cloves, and salt using a whisk. In a medium bowl, whisk together the baking sugar substitute, milk, egg, butter, and vanilla extract. Then, mix in your shredded zucchini. Step 4. Combine your dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Mix together until fully combined. The batter will be slightly lumpy. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan. Bake for nearly 35 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the middle comes out clean. Allow the zucchini bread to cool for 10 minutes in the pan before transferring to the wire rack. Tips and tricks. This sugar-free zucchini bread should be stored at room temperature in an airtight container for 3 to 4 days. In addition, you can store it in an airtight container in the fridge for 5 to 7 days. This bread can also be frozen as well. Wrap the bread in plastic wrap and then place it in a Ziploc bag or wrap it in aluminum foil. The bread can be frozen for 3 to 6 months. When ready to eat the zucchini bread after being frozen, let it thaw at room temperature for 2 hours. In addition, you can also thaw it in the fridge overnight. Let it reach room temperature before serving. Be certain to blot your zucchini after grating it. Though moisture is important to achieve a good consistency, too much can ruin the texture. Blotting the zucchini will make a big difference when baking it. If you desire, you can add fillings as well. Walnuts and chocolate chips will both taste great when added in. For the best results, allow your bread to fully cool before slicing and serving. For shredding the zucchini, it is best to use a cheese grater. You can also use a vegetable peeler as well. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.